May nag-message sa akin, Coach, naiinip kasi ako kung mag-e-enroll ako ng bootcamp ngayon, tapos next year pa, pwede bang may masasuggest kayo na pwede ko nang matutunan? Ito guys, this is perfect for you. On December 17, magkakaroon tayo ng Grand Cup. And sa Grand Cup natin, this is not just a tournament. It is the first ever live educational trading arena in the Philippines. So there will be 36 traders, one stage, zero hindsight, everything happens right in front of you. So if you are learning, no, alam ko marami sa inyo natututo sa YouTube, TikTok, Shorts, Reels, umaattend sa mga Discord, and definitely hindi man natin nakikita kung paano talaga nila pinipindot or yung emotions behind it, kung paano siya pinrepair. This event is for you kasi if you're learning from YouTube podcast, this is completely different. Here, you will watch real traders, makikita nyo sila mag-execute real time, face to face, makikita nyo rin how they will react when nagbago yung movement ng chart, ng price, makikita nyo rin how they handle pressure, how they handle risk management, how they recover from hesitation, because from the previous competition, may mga nag-o-open tas nagko-close. Ayun, nakikita din namin yon. Makikita nyo rin dito kung paano ba talaga nag-work yung mga strategy. Merong mga Elliott Wave, merong mga SMC, ICT, trend following, swing, halo-halo, iba-ibang ways kung paano mag-trade sa market. Dito maganda is walang perfect scenarios. It's pure skill. So, if you're a trader, you're a student, or maybe a content creator, or someone who wants to understand paano ba talaga mag-isip yung mga trader? How does the best trader think? And this is the closest seat you'll ever get to the real thing. I'm proud to announce that we're going to have an event and tickets are now available. I want you guys to experience the kind of learning, no live stream, no YouTube, na pwedeng tumapat sa ganitong experience. So it's going to happen on Ayala Mall 30th sa Pasig, December 17. It will start at 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. Hopefully na magkita-kita tayo dyan dahil dito guys makikita nyo talaga yung real world trading.